talk about the same thing the same thing I just told you.
I need to put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not getting arrested.
What's up?
She appears to be intoxicated. I can't board her in that manner.
Okay.
Bro, are you serious?
Las Vegas plate?
You called the cops?
You're not, listen.
Bitch.
Listen, you're not being...
Listen, I'm not intoxicated. I can get on the plane. I cannot afford the next ticket. So where the is the manager and who the is paying for my next ticket? Because I'm not paying for this shit.
She is the manager.
Okay, then you can pay for the ticket for me to get to California. Because I'm not paying for this shit. I'm perfectly fine. I'm not intoxicated.
She's refunded? Yeah.
I'm not refunding shit.
No, they
pay
already...
for the next ticket, bitch. Pay for it, period.
Come talk to me, please.
I'm talking to you, bro. They should have let me on this plane.
Okay,
she's being a bitch and she knows it.
Let's start from
knows it.
Let's start from the beginning. All right?
You want to start from the top?
All right, yeah. You obviously arrived here, and what happened when you got here?
I don't know. I was literally sleeping.
Listen, I'm standing right here.
I was sleeping, waiting for the plane, bro.
Where, over here?
Literally right there, yes.
Okay, so then what happened?
Yes.
So then what happened? Well, you were sleeping, you woke up.
I woke up to them complaining about me. I don't understand what the problem is.
What were they
I just want to get on the plane. I just want to go home.
All right, I understand. Let me see your ID so I can get some information.
On March 2nd, 2021, Broward Sheriff's Office deputies arrested a passenger at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport for disorderly conduct. This case turns on one statute, Florida Statute 877.03, breach of the peace and disorderly conduct. The law criminalizes acts that corrupt public morals, outrage public decency, disturb the peace, or constitute brawling or fighting. Critically, Florida courts have held that profanity alone is constitutionally protected speech under the First Amendment.
She has my f***ing ID.
No, she might have your driver's license or passport. Okay. So let's see.
I had a mask. This was fine. I got through TSA perfectly fine, so I'm good. This is a f***ing mask.
All right. So
thank you.
Miss Diaz.
Yes.
Let's go talk up front.
No, I want to talk right here.
You can't.
Because I'm not going. I'm getting on the f***ing plane.
See, the door's closed. They can't reopen.
I'm not paying for this shit.
I'm not talking about.
I'm not paying for it. I'm not doing that.
I'm not saying you have to pay for anything.
I want to fucking go home. I want to go home. And she's being a fucking bitch.
All right. If you don't stop now, you're gonna have to come with me and go to the county jail. If that's what you want, that's what we can do. It's up to you right now. Make a decision.
What are you gonna put me in jail for? I haven't done anything illegal.
For being in an airport, you're causing a disturbance. You can be arrested for that. You want to do that? It's up to you. I'm giving you the option. You can either listen. You can walk quietly.
I want to go home.
Miss Diaz, you're not.
I want to go home and just be a fucking bitch.
Well, let's go. Come on.
No, I want to go home.
It's either you go front with me or you go to jail. It's one or the other. That's the only two choices we have.
Persuasive authority from City of Houston versus Hill, 1987, reinforces that offensive language cannot be the sole basis for arrest. So cursing at airline staff by itself does not satisfy the elements of Section 877.03. What elevates this encounter legally is conduct beyond speech refusing repeated lawful instructions to relocate and disrupting gate operations. A supervisor's later statement also describes property being knocked to the floor, which independently supports a breach of peace finding.
Where do you want me to go? What the f*** you want me to talk about the same thing I just fucking told you? The same thing I just fucking told you!
I need to put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not getting arrested. I'm not getting arrested, bro. No. I don't need to get arrested, bro. I'm fine. I'm listening to you. We're talking, bro.
No, you're not listening.
Yes, I am. You don't need to arrest me.
You do.
No, you don't. You don't need to arrest me. Okay, the handcuffs are on. Are you detaining me?
No, you're being arrested.
Are you detaining me?
Oh yeah, and you're being arrested. For disorderly conduct. I tried to talk to you, try to be calm. You don't want to listen, so you have to go. I'm gonna have to take her 1019 because I'm in a pool car. I don't have a printer or nothing.
Please, can we just talk about it outside?
Can we what?
Can we just talk about whatever it is we talk about outside?
I gave you like 4 or 5 opportunities.
You have your computer? Because I
I have my laptop, yeah.
It's probably printed from mine.
We'll try it. I gave you like 4 or 5 opportunities to walk and talk with me. And then you kept throwing a fit. Then you started to walk. Then you threw your stuff on the ground. Everybody's looking at you. You have to go to jail. We're in an airport. We're not at the friggin' county. We're not at the park.
Please. I just want to go home. I was just trying to go home.
You're gonna get home. It's just gonna be a little delayed.
I wasn't even doing anything. Please. Please. Ask them. I wasn't doing nothing. Please. 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 I was just trying to go home. Please, I just want to go home. Please. Please. I wasn't even doing anything in the airport. I don't even know why he even said anything. I was sleeping. I shit you not. I was fucking sleeping, bro. I was fucking sleeping and they woke me up with that shit. Please. I cannot stay the night in jail, please. I don't have anyone here having nothing. I don't have any money. I'm not even gonna be able to bail myself out. Please. Please, sir. Please. I don't have any money. I can't bail myself out. Please. I just want to go home. I'm not trying to cause an issue. Please, sir, please.
Good morning, West Patrolman. I've got the right You're looking for de route 2 cell number 2. Once again, you've got the right on
I gave you an opportunity.
Your location is currently en route to carousel number 2. Thank you for choosing
Watch your step. Give gloves. Pat it down for you.
Got it for a second?
Yeah, I got it.
Like I said, it's a pool car. Everything is friggin'
Let me pat it down first for you.
Yeah.
You got it?
I got it.
I wasn't doing anything. I was literally sleeping. I don't know why they got so mad. Please.
You have anything on you that's gonna poke me
No,
or anything?
I just want to
Or
go
anything sharp?
home. Please. Oh, please. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Please. Seriously, are you serious. Please, please let me stay. Please. Please, I don't have anyone to bail me out. I can't afford to bail me out. Please. Please. Bro, I obviously don't have anything. Like, come on.
You want to take that cuff off and slide the purse? Yeah, cool.
I was literally sleeping. I don't even know what happened. I was sleeping. I was literally sleeping. Like, I don't know what happened. Please. Please.
I don't know if this is one of the same as our 11, but can we check with the 10?
What color do you have a shirt on? Black shirt? Black tank top?
I have a bra.
Just a bra? And your sweatshirt?
Yes.
Okay.
You're gonna
have to take your earrings off.
Why?
Because they're gonna need to take them off.
What time did I have?
Yeah, you're gonna want me to take them off because they're not gonna be so nice over there. So
903 hours.
I'm gonna take them off.
903 hours.
Can you turn the other way so I can take the other ones off? I don't want to hurt you. I don't want to have to pull.
I don't want you to touch me.
But I have to take your earrings off. You're not understanding me. It's gonna be better if I do it than if they do it.
That's not true. You didn't even let me talk. I didn't even say anything after I threw my shit on the floor. So that's not true. Not true. Not true.
Notice the charge filed disorderly conduct under section 877.03, not public intoxication under section 856.011. The subject's challenge on camera, demanding proof of the word drunk in any report, targets the wrong statute entirely. Whether she was intoxicated is legally irrelevant to a disorderly conduct charge that does not require intoxication as an element.
Hey, you know what's funny? You're arresting me for what? Being disorderly and whatever the but I can read your motherfucking paper like fucking.
You're meant to read it. This is for you to read. This is for you to read. You can read it. It's public record. The guy that's driving by.
If I can read it, how the fuck am I drunk?
Where'd I say drunk?
If I can read, then how the fuck am I disorderly, bitch?
Did you say drunk? I didn't say. You see the word drunk?
The whole reason why you came up here was because that stupid bitch said I was fucking drunk.
Do you see the word drunk in my report? Do you? If you can find the word drunk in there, I'll give you $100 right now.
Bringing your attention back to the date of the incident, which is March 2nd, 2021, at approximately 8:50 hours in the morning. Please tell me in your own words what happened regarding this incident.
The thing is, I've done a lot of removal for intoxication, so I'm going to ensure that
Not a problem.
I have the right info for these guests.
What are you researching now?
I'm looking for the security information. Normally when we remove someone off the flight, we submit a secure information over to our internal department.
Understood.
So going back to ensure, I think I know which guest, but I want to ensure that it's the right one.
No problem.
So when we do something like this, it's documented here. And you said March 2nd, right?
March 2nd, 8:50 in the morning. So you're using your database to research your incident.
I want to ensure that I'm saying, you've
I
seen
get it.
all these incidents?
Yeah. You're
So it doesn't
researching your database to ensure that you give the proper description.
Exactly.
Of that incident.
Happened, because we
Of
have
course.
a lot that happened.
Absolutely.
I'm sorry.
If I would have known you were going to need to do this, I would have told you before we
You
started.
see all this?
Of course, I see
So I have to ensure
it. Yeah,
that it's the right one.
absolutely.
Oh, okay.
On the force question, Graham versus Connor, 1989, governs. Reasonableness is judged from the officer's perspective at the time. Here, the deputy used only the minimum restraint necessary, standard handcuffing, with no strikes or weapons. That satisfies the objective reasonableness standard, regardless of the subject's emotional distress during arrest.
Yeah, that one. Oh, okay, there you go.
Okay.
Guest was denied boarding because she appeared to be intoxicated. She was very loud and belligerent. She was refunded and was arrested by BSO. Okay, So she was apparently intoxicated at the gate.
Okay.
All right, Miss Elora was intoxicated at the gate. Before boarding, I spoke to her and I advised her that if she's in this intoxicated state, then I will not be able to board her.
Okay.
Her friends, it was a group about, a lot of them traveling, was a bunch of them, about 7, 8, 9, 10. They seemed like they were all stoned, but the others were like controllably stoned, but she was uncontrollable. They tried to calm her down.
What did you observe? What did you observe her doing that you think is uncontrollable?
Her walk. No, as a GSC,
Okay.
as a GSC, we're not supposed to tell them that you are intoxicated. You appear to be. All right. So her walk, she fell.
Okay.
She was staggering.
Okay.
Her speech was slurred.
Okay.
Her eyes was like, what are you talking about? I'll let Joan to you, stuff like that.
Okay.
Yeah. So I left the gate because it was not boarding time yet once I spoke to her. So I told her friends, get her some coffee, take her to the bathroom, wash her up to see if she can board the flight. At boarding time, she was still falling over her bags, tripping, and stuff like that. All her friends boarded. At this time, she started trying to figure out where she was, boarding with no mask. So I stopped her. I said, ma'am, I have to put you for the next available, my observation. And at that time, she blew it. She lost it. She got all loud, calling us out of our names, destroying airport property like this. She tossed it over the floor.
What is that?
This, the computer, the keyboard.
Oh, she grabbed the keyboard?
She tossed the keyboard.
She pushed it?
Yeah, she tossed it on the floor. It was all on the floor.
Okay.
All right. So,
At this time, you were like right by the gate?
at this time we were at the gates.
And what's that ticket counter? Is that
The gates in the back.
Okay, what's the name of that counter that you stand at?
G2.
G2?
G2, that's the
And
boarding
at that
gate.
gate is where you receive guests?
That at the gate, that's where we board the guests and put them on the aircraft.
And you take their tickets
And
or
put them on the
scan
plane.
them? So that's where she did the property destruction?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. That's where. And then BSO came over, and at that time, she was arrested.
Okay.
Under Terry versus Ohio, 1968, the deputy's initial contact required only reasonable suspicion of a disturbance, not probable cause. Probable cause for the arrest itself was established only after multiple refused instructions, satisfying the higher Fourth Amendment standard required to seize a person. As a second-degree misdemeanor, the charge carries up to 60 days in jail and a $500 fine. The $25 bond set in this case is consistent with that low-level classification.
Can you describe her to me? Do you remember what she looked like?
Yes, young girl. She's about 22 years old. She had like real kinky hair. Not kinky, but it's straight hair. But it was curly. She was, I would say, tall.
Black female, white female?
No, she's either white or Hispanic.
White or Hispanic?
One of that.
Do you remember approximately how tall?
Probably about my height, 5'5", 5'6", about that.
Thin, heavy set?
I would say medium. She's not thin, and she's not heavy set. She's.
Okay.
I remember her. Yeah.
Okay.
I remember her. Of course, she wanted to fight me. I remember.
Perfect. Do you wish to prosecute on behalf of Spirit Airlines for her actions and her behavior and the reason she was arrested?
That's not my call. That's my manager's call.
Okay.
The manager.
Okay. If there's nothing else you'd like to add, I'm going to end this statement. Are you okay with that?
I'm okay with that.
At this point in time, the time is 2:11 p.m. on Friday, March 12th, and that will conclude this statement.
Deputy Grade B. Clear verbal warnings were given before any escalation to custody. Force used was minimal and proportionate, satisfying Graham versus Connor at every stage of the encounter. The deduction comes from failing to articulate, on camera, the specific 877.03 elements separate from the intoxication issue. Subject, Grade D. No physical resistance or violence was offered at any point during the arrest, but repeated refusal of lawful relocation requests and public disruption created the legal exposure that followed. Her legal challenge regarding the word drunk was articulate but misdirected at the wrong charge. Lesson 1. Profanity is protected speech, but refusing lawful orders is not. A civil dispute over a denied boarding became a criminal matter the moment lawful instructions were ignored. Lesson 2. Always identify the charge actually filed before arguing the facts. Disputing intoxication does nothing to a disorderly conduct charge that never required it. Lesson 3. Compliance during arrest, even under protest, meaningfully limits legal and physical risk. Nonviolent distress is not resistance, and officers are trained to recognize that distinction.